Ever wondered how this tiny piece of technology, the DSLR lens, work? Let's dive in. First, let's talk basics. The lens is the eye of your camera. It collects light and focuses it onto the camera's sensor to create an image. Next, the aperture. It's the hole inside the lens that lets light through. A large aperture lets in more light and a small one less. It's like the pupil of the eye. Then we have focal length. It's the distance between the lens and the image sensor when the subject is in focus. It's usually measured in millimeters. The longer the focal length, the more zoom your images will be. There are different types of lenses too. Prime lenses have a fixed focal length, while zoom lenses have a variable focal length. Then there are wide-angle, telephoto, macro lenses, and more, each with its own specifications, are used. So here's a quick look at how DSLR lenses work. Remember, the right lens can make a huge difference in your photography. Thanks for watching.